Hey everyone, it's Dr. Mike, and I'm excited to be partnering with Medvista today to talk about a topic that's super important for our health: establishing a solid morning routine for weight loss. We're diving deep into the science behind it, breaking down the steps that can make a real difference in your journey. We'll make sure you understand the why behind the what, so you can make informed decisions about your health. Let's get started.
We're going to kick off this routine with a simple yet powerful habit: drinking a tall glass of water as soon as you wake up. Think about it. You just spent the last 6 to 8 hours fasting while you sleep. What better way to rehydrate and jumpstart your metabolism than with a nice refreshing glass of H2O? Not only does this help you rehydrate, but studies actually show that drinking water first thing in the morning can boost your metabolism by up to 30%. That means you'll be burning more calories throughout the day, even when you're just going about your daily activities. It's a small change with big benefits. Remember, staying properly hydrated is crucial for overall health and well-being. So make it a habit to keep that water bottle handy throughout the day.
Now that you're hydrated, let's talk about breakfast. The most important meal of the day, right? To set yourself up for success in your weight loss journey, we want to make sure you're starting your day with a breakfast that is high in protein. Think eggs, Greek yogurt, or a protein smoothie. Why protein? Well, studies indicate that a high-protein breakfast can reduce cravings and calorie intake throughout the day. Protein helps you feel fuller for longer, preventing those mid-morning cravings that can derail your healthy eating habits. It also helps stabilize your blood sugar levels, preventing those energy crashes that can lead to unhealthy snacking.
It's time to get that body moving. And no, I don't mean running a marathon right after breakfast. We're talking about incorporating a short burst of exercise into your morning routine. Even just 10 minutes can make a difference. This could be a quick jog around the block, a brisk walk, or even some bodyweight exercises at home. The key is to get your heart rate up and those endorphins flowing. Exercise not only helps you burn calories, but also boosts your metabolism and sets a positive tone for the day, making you more likely to make healthier choices. Now I know what you might be thinking. Dr. Mike, I'm not a morning person, and that's okay. You can always find other times during the day to fit in your workout.
Next up, we're going to focus on something just as important as physical health: our mental well-being. Mindfulness practices like meditation have been shown to have a positive impact on weight management. Stress is a common trigger for overeating and weight gain. Mindfulness practices help you manage stress levels more effectively. Even just a few minutes of deep breathing exercises or guided meditation can make a world of difference. Find a quiet space, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. You can also use meditation apps or guided meditation videos if you prefer. It's amazing how much calmer and more centered you'll feel after just a few minutes.
Last but not least, let's talk about the power of planning. Taking a few minutes each morning to plan out your meals for the day can be a game changer in your weight loss journey. When you plan ahead, you're less likely to make impulsive, unhealthy food choices. Having healthy snacks and meals prepped and ready to go sets you up for success. It's much easier to resist that tempting donut when you know you have a nutritious and delicious lunch packed and ready to go. This doesn't have to be anything elaborate. Simply jotting down a quick meal plan or packing a healthy lunch the night before can make all the difference.
So, there you have it, your ultimate morning routine for weight loss. All backed by science and designed to help you kickstart your day on the right track. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to making lasting changes. Try incorporating these tips into your daily routine and see how they make you feel. You might just be surprised by the positive impact they have on your overall health, energy levels, and weight management goals. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips from Medvista. See you next time.